Okay, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We have 61,167 miles on the odometer. Now the TPMS light is on. The sensors do need to be reflashed. That's why it's there. And we're just going to go on a drive. Non-smoker. You do have cracked glass there in the corner. These seats are really comfy. I do hear a little squeak in the suspension over that big bump. Alignment feels good though. Truck is driving nice and straight. Brakes feel good. Like I said, I have that little box there at 0, so it's not extra sensitive or anything. I did bump it all the way up to 3, I think is what it goes to, and it's very noticeable. And then you can kind of tone it down to -3, I believe, and really desensitize it, but I like it just right at 0. There's those shifts. Alignment feels perfect though, no issues there. We're gonna do a big turn here. Fully cranked. No noises or anything like that. Head to the gas station after this anyways. On the brakes, the steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. I don't feel any vibration, so the brakes feel solid. Really no other complaints. Really nice truck. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tires, all 4 date code 2024, and they look like they've barely been driven on. They're the Michelin Defenders. Very, very nice tire. Already have the window tint. You got the side steps, little mud flaps, got the bed liner, parking sensors front and back, all weather liners. It's got all the goodies. So we're gonna kind of walk around this truck panel by panel and just look at any imperfections we can find. Like I said, on those tires, look at that, ton of tread left. Defender LTX MSs. You do have some rash on the wheel. It's pretty heavy over here. Took off some of the chrome plating. Tires look amazing. Looking at that fender, a couple little chips. That looks good. A few little chips on the A-pillar, and you do have some cracked glass there. A few little scratches. Making our way down the door. I do see film on the edge here and in there protecting it. A couple little rock chips. Now down here it looks like something kept hitting it over and over. So you're going to see some gashes and paint chipping and just kind of clipping it over and over and over right there along that edge. Upper side though, that looks good. Bed looks good. Here on this wheel, very minimal rash compared to the front, but you still have it. Looking at the tread, let's see how much depth you have. Those look really good. Got the nice bed liner. Here on that front bumper edge, you do have some gashes. And there is a ding right there. Typical rock impacts on the grill. If you look closer, you're going to see those. And then you're going to see little impacts here. Little chips. Looking at that lens, clarity looks good. Besides the rock impacts, that front end looks nice. Here on that fender, overall in great condition. Looking at the tread, looks good. Here on that wheel, that's in great condition. Got the side steps. Typical impacts here, a few little rock chips. few small chips here and there, a couple there. Looking at that wheel, some very light rash right there. The rest of that looks good though. Lenses are nice and clean. A couple scratches on the plastic. That looks really good, so they may not have towed much because how clean that is. Back of this looks nice. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, so you got the dark brown and the tan interior. Two-tone, looks really good. Non-smoker, very clean in here, 61,000 miles. Looking at that door panel, the upper section looks amazing. You got the memory seating, power folding side mirrors, all the power windows, of course, child lock and window lock here with the push button. That's nice. Tons of storage, Bose audio. Got the upgraded GMC all-weather mats throughout, front and rear. Of course, all the power. Now, looking at the bolster, cushion is really nice. You do have a little bit of wear from the edge here. You can see some of the coloring is kind of rubbed off. Overall, that looks good, though. Upper section nice and clean. Just a little bit of wear here on the bottom. Looking at the steering wheel, a couple little scuffs here and there, otherwise in great condition. Heated. Forward collision alert, Bluetooth of course, trailer brake controller, you have automatic 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive, automatic headlights, upper side of the dash, that looks good. Got the big screen, let's see, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable pedal, your lane change alert, all the goodies. We have a ton of ports in here, all those caps look good. The console. Looks good. And the truck does have a pedal box, so a throttle response system here, so you can raise and lower how sensitive it is. So you get this box with all the info in there on how that works. Here on this door panel, that's in great condition. Buttons look good, Bose audio, like I said, lots of storage in here. Got the all-weather mats with the GMC logo, so all of that is fully protected. Looking at the seat, it is power. That bolster looks amazing, and same here, nice and clean. Overall, that seat is in great condition. This side of the console looks good, wood grain's clean. Got the double glove box with the locking, that's nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. Headliner, great condition. This side looks really nice. Very clean. Get up close, you can just see how nice all of this is. Got the all-weather mat, goes all the way under the seat, which is really nice. You can see that. Checking out the seat, it's in great condition. Got the car seat buckles in here. This flips down, power sliding rear glass. Headliner looks good. That cap right there is broke off. Back of the console, a little bit of storage. Here on the back left door panel, it's in great condition. It said all-weather mats. Now it looks like there was a car seat here, so you do see these little indentions. And a couple little, I wouldn't say stains, but it is a little dingy or dirty in this area. It's very subtle though. You can see the car seat here. The back side looks good, so overall that seat is really nice. Seat back looks good. Engine bay is really clean. All the plastics have been protected. Let's see, all of this looks good. Terminals on the battery nice and clean. I don't see a date code on that. I'm sure this is covering it up. Besides that, that looks good. Even the liner here, a couple small stains, but otherwise in great condition. All right, and here's the engine running. This light right here blinks every once in a while. It's got a glitch. kind of flickers.